Hey, welcome back to Practical Tools Explained. Today I'm looking at Systemi.io. Systemi.io replaces ClickFunnels, Mailchimp, and Teachable on a free plan. There are 3 things worth knowing about Systemi.io. Email marketing included, 2,000 contacts and unlimited email sends on the free plan. Most dedicated email tools charge $30 per month for the same capability. You've also got funnels and checkout in one place. My scores, I gave ease of use a 80, features a 90, value for money 100, and support 80. That's about as good as it gets for a business platform tool. Things I genuinely liked. Free plan is genuinely usable for a real operating business. Replaces 3 to 4 separate paid tools at 0 monthly cost. First paid plan is $27 per month with almost no meaning. I'm giving Systemi.io a 9 out of 10. If you're serious about business platform, it's worth trying. Link to get started free is in the description.